Alright, so anyway, like I said, I needed to glue these Final Faction toys. It's just if you get these second generation, sorry about the voice, these armor kit upgrades, like the wings and the packs for the Rocket Steadfast, I definitely glue them. So I just went to Dollar Tree and get two of those for $1. Let's open those up. And I'm just going to kind of put them in. Oh boy. Come on. I open one and I put one in my little refrigerator over here. Be careful I don't puncture it though. So I'll put that in there. Maybe the top row. And then I think all I have to do is just take that. Well, I can either plug it here. I think that in there, if you screw it down tight, I'm pretty sure that it will, yep, there it goes. I heard it pop. And if you look, it also cracked that open. So like I'm going like this dragonfly dude. If you turn it here, I don't have the camera, I can't look at it, but the point is where each of these wings go in, like there. See how soft the missiles are? I'm gonna put one at each wing. Oops, see that missile fell off. That's how sensitive they are, see there? And there. You gotta be real careful, one there. And say one there. Now I pose the wings where I want them. I put some up on that edge where that missile goes. He just kind of slots in there, and I'm a good painter, so I can get that missile painted where you won't notice it as much. Maybe I'm gonna try on his back. There. So I got those real good. Now, it's best to have the wings where you want them, like I said. Put some more there. See how I have them X-shaped? I'm going to put these up. Yeah. See how loose they are? Because they don't want to see. Same thing with that missile. So put plenty in there. Plenty in there. Plenty in there. Plenty in there. I don't think it'll take too much. You know, just a couple drops, not to go crazy. Let's get some on that missile thing. Be real careful not to touch the glue and get it on the other surfaces. So you press them there. Nah, it's still wet, so I'm going to readjust it, but it takes about 2 minutes, I think I read it dry. So he has a missile issue. Yeah, foot issue, that's what it was. Let's see, so I'm going to put some down here on the foot peg where he sits, because that is super annoying. Now with that weight on it, let's put some here. I already have them posed, so I'm not worried about moving these things again, like I said. Just kind of putting glue in the joints like this here. I want to put up here. Because I could still paint pretty good. I had to do it on Warhammer Miniatures paint them. And the reason I bring that up is because they're highly detailed. Plastic models. And see, that's what I'm talking about. His foot fell right off. That's the one I didn't glue. I'll get him now. But they're about 1.75 inches high, highly detailed. None of the parts come apart. So you have to learn if you're going to paint them how to paint them good. Stationary is my point. So he's painted his 2 guns with glued. He's glued. Ooh, see, that does take long to dry at all. Trying to remember where he's loose. And he sees. So I'm gonna put some in here. Those circular joints. Maybe up in there. I think these legs stay on pretty good. So with a little bit of super glue, I'll show you in a second. See, they're already stiff now. And later on I could paint them and customize it, no problem. Go up here on the shelf. So these guys here, they see